Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you about Apex's new action enhancement trigger for the XDs Mod.2 pistols. The XDs Mod.2 is an extremely popular gun, and now we have a trigger kit for it. I'm going to walk you through the kit and the contents and what it does for you. We designed, developed, and manufactured this trigger kit to drop your trigger pull weight to roughly 5 to 5.5 pounds and give you a nice, clean, and crisp trigger pull. This kit contains two components, a grip safety spring and a trigger body. The trigger body, like all other Apex trigger bodies, contains a center-mounted pivoting safety that disappears sub-flush for comfort while you pull the trigger. The kit contents are pretty simple. You've got a grip safety spring, and you'll have one trigger in the kit. We have a variation of triggers. We have the black versions with the thin blue line and the Freedom. We also have red in Freedom also, and we have the FDE or Flat Dark Earth with battle-worn options. You'll notice on this particular trigger we have an orange dot on the safety. That means that safety was specifically inspected in our inspection department. We use that paint to mark it so we know it's been inspected. If you don't like it, just cover it up with a little bit of Sharpie.